what is the purpose of this presentation or workshop? As directors have said, okay, whatever you people are learning in your degree and what are the technologies being used in industry, huge gap is there. Like I'll be asking a certain technology name from you guys. Let me know whether you know about it or not. C. Have you heard about this language? C++, Visual Basic, Java, fine. iBetis, Maven, JDO, Ant, Build. Now see the difference. These are the technologies on which the industries are working, and you people are far away from these. And what this is the purpose of this particular workshop, and I want to make a gap. I just try to bridge up this gap. At the end of the session, you will be knowing all these technology as well as plus socket programming also, for which I've been invited to give a session on a socket programming. So I'll try to give you the details of this, what is iBetis, what is JDO, what is content management system. These are the things, Groovy on Rails. These are the certain technologies that are being used in industry right now. So without wasting too much time, I'll just come to my directly topic. Anybody has got any idea what is socket programming? Anybody has got any idea? So how many people have done Java? Okay. So you don't have any idea about this socket programming? No idea. What is socket? Okay, let me know one thing. What is network? I first create the need of socket programming. Why it is required? Then I'm going to implement it. What is networking? Just give me it is, I think, just you have a subject in your MCA. What is networking? It's very simple, I'm asking. Okay. Or anybody else? Connection of nodes on the network. It's very simple. It is just a process of connecting more than one pieces to each other. It's very simple. In a very literal manner I'm talking about. I'm not the networking person, but I want to create the need of Java within a networking, or Java is needing a networking. मुझे दोनों में डिफरेंस क्रिएट करना है. आपसे मैंने एक सिंपल सी डेफिनेशन पूछी, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय अ नेटवर्किंग? सो व्हेनेवर यू आर टॉट नेटवर्किंग इन योर MCA syllabus, are they relating a networking to Java? Have they taken a name of Java while teaching a networking? There is a book called, I think in my times I have just read, Tenenbaum करके एक writer है. That person has written a very nice book on networking. So and it is one of the subject of your MCA. So I just want to create the need of socket programming, whether socket networking is needing by the Java or Java is needing a networking. कहाँ किसकी जरूरत पड़ती है? So we'll be starting from the very scratch. So मैंने आपसे एक छोटी सी डेफिनेशन पूछी, what do you mean by a networking? It is just a process of connecting more than one pieces to each other simply. Let me know the advantage.
Let's have the comments of Ms. Rakhi Chibbar, who has been teaching Java to the students. What he is asking, it appears that the students are not able to answer anything. Please stand up and then give comments.
Some of the students are studying right now. They have not reached on to the
You are taught last semester also, you are teaching now also.
Last semester students have done socket programming. They have done class.
अरे जो दूसरा बात था, what is this confusion? In your syllabus, when you are teaching Java to the students, how is socket programming not being told to them details of this? Why is it not coming into the network, is not being related, that where are the applications of Java
Sir, in MCA, we are taking Java in 2 semesters. In third semester, socket programming is introduction. And in fifth semester, we study advanced Java.
Actually, sir, I just explained. Actually, the
advanced Java is that socket programming is
Yes.
taught.
Yes.
Now, which are the students of fifth semester? Please raise your hand. Please raise your hand who are fifth semester students who are studying advanced Java. Ladies and gentlemen, please stop laughing. It's a very serious matter. I'm trying to find out. Tomorrow when you don't get a job, I'm trying to find out where the gap is and where the problem lies. It needs to be analyzed and understood. It is being done in a superfluous manner. We just laughing on this issue. We are trying to find out when you are being taught in third semester, you are being taught in fifth semester, and here the response when you ask one or two questions or such that as if these are just tyros, beginners. So that means either the teaching has not been done to that well, where students have been taught the concept, or the students have not taken any interest at all. Where is the gap? You are taught third semester Java, and who is teaching the fifth semester? She is teaching. So both of you please have interaction with your students after this and try to find out the gap and relate it to that work or any other thing wherever it has got applications. If you do not do this and you just do it in a superfluous manner, then the industry will not accept you. They say your knowledge is not up to the mark. This is what is causing the problem. And then they say our students are not getting paid, our students are not getting the right package. So it has to start from here. I am trying to fill up the gap, what is there in your teaching, and that requirement.
sir, actually, I'm sorry to interrupt you, but actually, whatever the syllabus they people are covering, I mean, socket programming, that is not more in depth. That's why this is the gap is there.
I understand it, that is why I am sitting here and I am putting so much effort in this. Please wait. So now, have you understood the thing? Have you understood the thing? When she is teaching you, please ask questions and learn more and more. She is doing it in a superfluous manner because your knowledge is not reflecting that. Your in-depth knowledge of Java, its applications, wherever what can happen, that is not coming out from the students. That is where the gap appears to be in the basic thing. If they are good in that, they will automatically learn so many things. Tell me some of the things, what have you learned in this? Yeah, this. Give your comment from this. Basic Java you have been taught in third semester. It's loudly. Now you are in fifth semester? So it may be that you are just being taught only theory and it is not being related to practical aspects of the industry, where it can be used. Whatever is being taught here, it may be just theory is being taught. There is nothing, no relationship with the industrial thing or wherever it has got applications in hardware or applications. So please see this. You are the best judges. Please, I would like to come to the class and I would like to have a more detailed discussion on this and try to know where the problem is. Otherwise, if MCA is losing its importance and if the teaching is also of lower quality, then you will be definitely affected. That is my concern. Now we can proceed. I'd like to have a discussion. Please fix the date and I'll come to the class. Yes, Ravi Shubham? Right here.
Shall we start? So actually I was trying to create the need of socket programming, and it comes under a concept called networking. Am I clear? जो सॉकेट प्रोग्रामिंग का कॉन्सेप्ट आता है, इट कम्स अंडर अ नेटवर्किंग. सो फर्स्ट आई हैव टू डिस्कस अ networking and I have to create the need of socket programming in a networking where it is required actually. So that's why I was asking the question whether you are aware or not what is networking. So हमने discussion किया, it is just a process, a very literal manner. It's just a process of connecting more than one pieces to each other. It's so simple. Then I ask, let me know the certain advantage of networking. Number one, sharing of. I think networking has got only a major two advantages. Number one, sharing of information. And best example of sharing information is internet. Am I right? What you do on net, you share the things. Facebook, you know, you are sharing your faces. Am I right? Nothing else. And the second one is sharing the peripherals and sharing the devices of your computer. Am I right? These are the two major advantages of networking. So ये थोड़ा सा इंट्रो नेटवर्किंग का, बिकॉज मुझे नेटवर्किंग कवर अप नहीं करनी. आई हैव टू कवर अप अ सेकंड प्रोग्राम, सॉकेट प्रोग्रामिंग इन अ नेटवर्किंग. सो एक्चुअली में whenever we establish a network, we require three things. Whenever we establish a network, so I'm just creating the need of this Java and the socket programming within a networking. So without talking about networking, I cannot complete socket programming. The socket is one of the terms which is being used in networking. That's why I'm just giving a little bit brief on networking. That's it. So whenever we are making a network of more than 100 computers or more 2 computers or 100, so we require three things. तीन चीजों की हमें जरूरत पड़ती है. Number one, hardware. Number one, hardware. Like every network needs a certain hardwares. So let's say you have a certain computers. Now you need a certain hardwares which are being used to establish the network of those computer, like routers, repeaters, hubs, switches. You know all these things? Very right. You people have a cable at your home? Cable है? Let me know the one hardware of cable. Cable I'm talking about, a TV cable. Amplifier, सुना आपने? The person who is running the cable, that person has put a one amplifier after every 1 kilometer distance. Because 1 किलोमीटर के बाद केबल के सिग्नल्स वीक हो जाते हैं, so वो एम्पलीफायर में रीजनरेट करके then further send it for 1 kilometer. So if we remove that amplifier from that cable network, I think it won't work. And this is the hardware of cable network. That's why I'm talking about the hardware of computer networks. Router, repeaters, hubs. So these are the things which are required to establish a network. Number one thing. Number two, we require a medium. Number two, we require a medium to connect all these hardwares and computers to each other. I think we have two types of medium that you know very well. Number one, wire based. Number two, wireless. ठीक, वायरलेस नेटवर्क किसी ने कहीं देखा है? लेट मी नो वन एग्जांपल ऑफ वायरलेस नेटवर्क. एनीथिंग? और इन सम डिवाइस, लेट मी नो. इन अ रियल वर्ल्ड आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, नॉट कंप्यूटर्स. एटीएम मशीन देखिए, एटीएम मशीन देखिए, आप पैसे विड्रॉ करते हैं, इट्स अ कंप्यूटराइज्ड मशीन, इजंट एनी वायर. पता है कैसे काम करती है? हाउ इट वर्क्स? वाया सैटेलाइट्स. ऑल द एटीएम मशीन्स आर कंट्रोल्ड बाय सैटेलाइट्स बिकॉज द डेटाबेस ऑफ बैंक इज स्टोर्ड समवेयर इन मुंबई and you are withdrawing your money from Delhi itself and it is withdrawn from that. Database is not stored for every bank on a particular every ATM machine. No. And there is no such kind of a wire is going on. कोई वायर की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं होती. And that is a computer network, है ना, using a wireless network. And second one is wire based. And let me know the wire name which is being used right now to establish a wire based network. Wire name I'm just asking. Very simple thing. Fiber optic cables. Am I right? यही यूज की जाती है आज. Let me know, आप में से कोई बताए how it works. Fiber optic cables. Why it is being used? Raise your hand and let me know. All are speaking. Now raise your hand, you want to talk?
fast and lightweight.
Fast and lightweighted, or how it works, a fiber optic cables. Very little I am asking, मुझे भी डिटेल नहीं मालूम, पर मोटी मोटी ये that I know. आप लोग अंदर डेप्थ में चले गए, इतना तो मुझे भी नहीं मालूम. Actually, I'm talking. What happens in case of fiber optic cable? Our computer understands our digital signals. Initially, we were converting the digital signals into analog signals to send the data of those computers to other networks. So we were using analog signals. Now they have converted this. Now in case of fiber optic cable, they are just converting the digital signal into a light waves. A very simple thing. Very simple thing. So आजकल fiber optic cables, or just because of speed, speed is very fast. जैसे मैं एक एग्जांपल अक्सर यहाँ पे देता हूँ, अभी बारिश का महीना, अगस्त का महीना, सो अक्सर लाइट, यानी कि जब बारिश आती है तो पहले लाइट चमकती है और बाद में साउंड आती है. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दैट? कि लाइट इज हैविंग अ, अच्छा कोई बता सकता है कि जो सूरज की रोशनी है वो कितने टाइम में स्काई से अर्थ तक पहुंचती होगी? कितनी देर में? So because I'm talking about light waves, so I have to talk about the speed. That's why I'm asking this question. What a time I'm asking. I'm not asking speed of light. चलिए, इट्स फाइन, आई गॉट इट कि आपको ये चीज मालूम है, दैट्स फाइन, नो प्रॉब्लम. सो मैंने दो चीजों की नीड क्रिएट करी. नंबर वन, वी नीड अ हार्डवेयर. नंबर टू, वी नीड अ medium. Now let us suppose I have just made a network of 100 computer by using these hardwares as well as a medium. Network is rated, है ना? That is what. Now we want to take the advantage of this networking. How we take it? We send some data from one computer to another computer. That's why we have connected them to share that data. So now we need a certain applications, certain software, network based application which must be capable to send some data on a network and to receive some data from the network. Is it clear? So actually to use that network we are requiring a certain network based application, and the best example of network based application is a browser. Use clear? That is very much able to receive the data which is coming from the network. Internet is nothing, it's a network of network, you know very well. And the web server. Right? So these are the two major applications which you are generally used. आप ये दो यूज कर चुके हैं. वेब सर्वर का काम भी है नेटवर्क पे डेटा को सेंड करना और नेटवर्क से आए डेटा को रिसीव करना. So once we have established the network by using the hardware as well as a medium, now we want to use that network. So we need a network based applications. Am I right? Which must be capable, क्योंकि आप अपने हाथ से डेटा डालेंगे कंप्यूटर पे, दूसरे जाकर रिसीव कर लेंगे. You need a kind of application. If you need application, तो you need a programming language. If you need application, you have to make that programming language by using one of the programming language. And now Java has become the most popular language for making network-based applications. Initially, it was done in a C language, but nobody taught a C socket programming in C. Actually, it is not covered up. It is not given in any book even itself. Okay, how to make a socket programming in a C language. The problem with the C language was the code will become very lengthy. बहुत ज्यादा लेंथी हो जाता था. आज ड्यूरिंग सेशन मैं आपको मैक्सिमम 4 to 5 लाइन्स का कोड लिख के दिखाऊंगा एंड यू विल बी मेकिंग योर ओन वेब सर्वर योरसेल्फ. यू विल बी मेकिंग योर मल्टी-थ्रेडेड सर्वर योरसेल्फ by using just 5 to 10 lines. That's it. And this is done by the Java itself. So Java has become more popular technology for making a network based applications. Like आपके वेब सर्वर्स या आपका ब्राउजर्स या आपके जो चैट सर्वर्स आप यूज कर रहे हैं, व्हाट्सएप यूज किया है? डेफिनेटली यूज करते हैं. थैंक यू. सो जितने भी आप नेटवर्क बेस्ड एप्लीकेशंस बनाई जाती है, दे आर मेड बाय यूजिंग अ जावा इटसेल्फ. और वही अब मेरा टारगेट भी है, पर्पस भी है। आपको मैं 3 से 4 टाइप के सर्वर बनाने की कोशिश करूंगा। नंबर पीयर टू पीयर सर्वर विल मेकिंग, पीयर टू पीयर चैटिंग, देन विल बी मेकिंग इको सर्वर, देन विल बी मेकिंग मल्टी-थ्रेडेड सर्वर एंड मल्टी-थ्रेडेड क्लाइंट, एंड देन विल बी डूइंग अ पब्लिक चैटिंग एंड अ प्राइवेट चैटिंग बाय यूजिंग दीज सर्वर्स। अगर आपने इंटरेस्ट शो किया तो इफ यू आर गेटिंग, यू स्टार्ट गेटिंग बोर्ड, यू कैन लीव नो प्रॉब्लम्स एट ऑल। बट ये सारी चीजें मैं कवर अप करने की बड़े अच्छे से कोशिश करूंगा। सो वन यू स्टार्ट लर्निंग, आई ट्राई टू मेक अ वेब सर्वर, हाउ अ वेब सर्वर इज मेड, हाउ इट वर्क्स एक्चुअली. So once you start learning J2EE like web servers and all that, so you'll be very comfortable. Okay, yeah, we know how it is working, because that the working of web server is totally abstract. वो आपको समझ में नहीं आएगी. You'll be making a one web application, you just deploy into a web server. वो तो रेडीमेड बना बनाया मिलेगा. But internally how it is working, if you that come to know, so it will become damn easy to make web-based applications. If generally what happens, generally the people teach only the things how one makes a website and deploy into the web server. That's it. Not more than that. How web server is handling all these things, all the requests. That is also a multi-threaded application. So एक प्यारा सा multi-threaded web server मैं आपको बना के बताऊंगा. उसके बाद the kind of a data you send back to the client, accordingly we give a name. If that my server, a multi-threaded server is sending a certain chit-chat data to the client, it will become chat server. If it is sending back HTML, then it will become web server. It is getting some data from the database, then it will become database server. The base of every server is the same. So we'll be doing these things today itself. Is it clear? So अब आपको नीड मैंने क्रिएट करी कि नेटवर्किंग के लिए एक्चुअली द जावा इज रिक्वायर्ड विद इन अ नेटवर्किंग. नेटवर्किंग इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड इन जावा. So Java is used to make a network-based applications. Is it clear? Java is never used to establish the connection. It needs a ready-made network to work upon. हमें ready-made network चाहिए. आपकी जो Java होगी, ये कभी भी किसी भी network को establish नहीं करने वाली है. So now, before starting this concept of socket programming, all that, Java has provided a certain classes, inbuilt classes. Java has made it a damn easy to do a socket programming. It's just made a certain classes, a damn easy. One class is there and create the object of that class, and it is having a method called send and pass the data into it, and just data is sent on a network. इतना आसान हो गया है. And in a web server or a normal server, there is a one class. Make the object of that class, and it is having a one read method and just read the data. It's so simple. All the complexities of a socket programming is taken by those inbuilt classes which are provided by the Java in a one particular package that is called java.net package. So we'll be learning those classes and we'll be learning something servers by using those classes. तो need हमें समझ में आ गई. अब before teaching these classes which are making a network based application, these classes are using a certain terminology of networking. If you are not aware with that, again you won't be able to understand those classes and their constructor and their methods. So first, I have to make those terms of networking very much clear to you. Then I switch over to classes. तब मैं उन classes के पास जाऊंगा. Easily तब आपको वो चीजें समझ में. Very common terms of networking. You all know, और ये मुझे आप ही से definition चाहिए. I won't be explaining. 4 terms are there which are being used of networking in a network-based application in Java. A very common term. Number 1, a protocol. Am I right? पक्का? So चलो अब ऑफिस पे बातें करते हैं. प्रोटोकॉल की डेफिनेशन बताओ. सेट ऑफ रूल. आपको नहीं लगता ये एक जर्नल डेफिनेशन हो गई? बिकॉज एनी काइंड ऑफ ए रूल कैन बी सेड प्रोटोकॉल. I'm not asking the normal term of protocol. The term which is being used in networking, explain that protocol. Protocol, absolutely right. It's a set of rules. Set of rules. Traffic rules are also known as protocol. Absolutely right. Some other person has to do. You just give me. मैं अपने आप पहुंच जाता हूं. हाँ, let me know. Anybody knows the definition of protocol? I have another mic. It's very simple. Without using a protocol, Can you establish a network? Can you use a network? It is just next to impossible. So it's a very common term. आपने definition बता दी. It's a set of protocol. If I open the dictionary, the same word is written over there. Dictionary meaning of this protocol. मैं डिक्शनरी मीनिंग क्यों ना पूछ रहा हूं, वो तो आपने डिक्शनरी का मीनिंग मुझे बता दिया प्रोटोकॉल. चलो थोड़ा सा आगे बढ़ो. वेरी नाइस. पता होता है तो बोलते क्यों नहीं हो? वाई यू फील शाय? बिंदास बोलो, गलत या सही, एटलीस्ट यू शुड अटेम्प्ट. वो तो प्रोटोकॉल के रूल्स में आ गया ना बेटा. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द प्रोटोकॉल विच आर बीइंग यूज्ड इन नेटवर्किंग. नेटवर्किंग से रिलेटेड मुझे प्रोटोकॉल की डेफिनेशन चाहिए. अ वेरी सिंपल. ओएसआई लेयर. चलो गुड, वेरी नाइस. और बोलो बेटा. इंटरमीडिएटर नहीं, ये नहीं चलेगा बेटा. और कोई? बट एक छोटी सी लाइन अगर ऐड कर दो तो नेटवर्किंग की प्रोटोकॉल की डेफिनेशन निकल के आती है. अगर नेटवर्किंग से रिलेटेड प्रोटोकॉल की डेफिनेशन बोलनी है तो यू हैव टू ऐड ओनली वन वर्ड आफ्टर इट. दैट्स इट. इट्स अ सेट ऑफ रूल ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. वेरी सिंपल. इट्स अ सेट ऑफ रूल्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. क्योंकि हम नेटवर्क बेस्ड एप्लीकेशन बना रहे हैं जो अपने आप में एक दूसरे को कम्युनिकेट करेंगी, डेटा सेंड करेंगी, डेटा रिसीव करेंगी. एक सिंपल सी डेफिनेशन. इट्स अ सेट ऑफ रूल्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. दैट्स इट. And actually, generally, these rules are made to communicate the unknown persons with each other, not the known person. Not the known person. ठीक? मैं कुछ एग्जाम्पल देके समझाना चाहूंगा. मुझे थोड़ी गंदी आदत है एग्जाम्पल देने के, दुआ करके समझाने की. सो बिना इसके आई वांट टू एबल टू मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड. मैं एक बहुत प्यारा सा एग्जाम्पल लेता हूं. बेटा मोबाइल है, ये फर्स्ट डे आप सर से बोल रहे थे. मोबाइल है, वेरी गुड. सैमसंग का गैलेक्सी अच्छा महंगा मोबाइल है. गुड, वेरी नाइस. चलो बेटा. हाँ, मोबाइल में जब आपके फोन बजता है